asuntoskeittiö Jyväskylän pursimies.
Today's the 9th of August 2021. We have Viilukuja 3 in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. Also fast. This says 2003 on the building itself, so this has to be, it says 2003. Let's see. And the case used as the street level here.
Yeah.
Again, this could have opened the door as well in motion, like classically.
Yeah.
Oh, it has 8 floors. Yes. Oh, no, what? 2010?
Huh.
What is this?
It said 2003 on oikot here.
Why? 7 years later, why did they have to replace it?
Yeah.
The serial number is 113424451. It will be inspected in 2023. This is so weird.
Yeah. I think it was generic, like a building nearby this.
Yeah. And then it was only for 7 years.
Yeah.
That's strange. I wouldn't expect this. I thought this was late 2003.
Yeah, same.
You take the other 2 towers here.
No. We have to check them.
Yeah. If they are still 2003. I mean.
But Viilukuja 7 is Viilukuja 5 is at least 2003.
I will try it.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. This replacement are only 10 years old in the last year, 2020. Well, only after 7 years.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.